Students, in the last class, exercise 7.1, 9, 10 sums completed. Now this is problem number 11 in 7.1. What is problem number 11 in 7.1? If the distance between, read the problem, if the distance between 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. So, distance, again what formula to use? Distance formula. Distance between 2 points. How many points are given? 2 points are given. What is the first point? X comma 7. Means something is missing. And the second point is 1 comma 15. Distance is given 10. So distance how much? 10. Find the value of x. 2 points are given. Distance is given. We need to find out missing value x. That is the problem. So see the problem. Given how many points are given? 2 points are given. What is the first point? X comma 7. Clearly x is missing. Second point 1 comma 15. Take the first point as A. X comma 7. X comma 7. Name the first point as A. X comma 7. Let it be x1 y1. First point x1 y1. Then second point B. 1 comma 15. Let it be x2 y2. First point A, let it be x1 y1. Second point B, 1 comma 15, let it be x2 y2. And one more value is given. What is that? AB is given. Distance is given. Equal to 10. Distance between A and B is 10. That means AB equal to 10. What we need to find out? Missing value. X equal to question mark. So first point A, let it be x1 y1. Second point B, let it be x2 y2. Distance is given 10. Then what we need to find out? X value how much? Again, what formula to write? Same. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Again, same formula. Distance between 2 points equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Same distance formula again. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute. What is x2? 1. What is x1? X whole square. 1 minus x whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, 1 minus x whole square plus what is y2? 15. What is y1? 7 whole square under root. Everything under root equal to 10. So apply distance formula. x2 minus x1, 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 15 minus 7 whole square. First one, 2 models are there. First model by using, without using a minus b whole square formula. Second model by using a minus b whole square formula. First one is easy. So don't apply a minus b whole square formula here. Try to finish the problem easily. Means don't apply a minus b whole square formula. Remember. Okay na? So first one 1 minus x whole square plus second one 15 minus 7 8 whole square equal to 10. So everything under root. Again 1 minus x whole square. What is 8 whole square? 64 equal to 10. Then when root is there, what we will do? So when root is there, we will do squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then what we get? Root 1 minus x whole square plus 64 whole square equal to 10. Okay na? Then square root cancel. What we get? 1 minus x whole square plus 64 equal to 10 whole square how much? 100. 10 whole square how much? 100. Then plus 64 is moving to right side, it becomes minus. Then what we get? 1 minus x whole square equal to 100 minus 64. Plus becomes minus 100 minus 64. 1 minus x whole square equal to 36. Then square becomes root 1 minus x equal to root 36. Square becomes root. What is root 36? Root 36 equal, two values plus or minus 6. Okay na? For any real number, two square root values are there. One is plus, second one is minus. So root 36 how much? Plus or minus 6. Then one time plus 6, second time minus 6. One time plus 6, second time minus 6. So then 1 is moving, plus 1 is moving. So plus 1 becomes minus 1. Here also plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus x equal to 6 minus 1 how much? 5. Minus x equal to, this is minus 7. Then what is x value? Minus 5. Or here minus minus cancel, x equal to 7. So that is x value minus 5 or x equal to 7. So again see the problem. 2 points are given. Distance is given. We need to find out missing value x. Then what is a? Take the first point as a, x comma 7, let it be x1 y1. Take the second point as b, 1 comma 50, let it be x2 y2. AB equal how much? 10. We need to find out x value. Then distance between 2 points formula, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? 1. What is x1? X whole square plus what is y2? 15. What is y1? 7 whole square equal to 10. What is 1 minus x whole square? Here remember, don't apply a minus b whole square formula. The problem becomes difficult. Okay na? So try to avoid. So first one 1 minus x whole square as it is. What is 15 minus 7? 8 whole square. What is 8 whole square? 64. Root is there. When root is there, what we will do? Squaring on both sides. Then apply squaring on both sides. Square root to cancel. What is 10 square? 100. Plus 64 is moving to right side, becomes minus 64. 100 minus 64 how much? 36. Root 36 how much? Plus or minus 6. Means one time plus 6, second time minus 6. Plus 1 becomes minus 1, plus 1 becomes minus 1. What is 6 minus 1? 5. What is minus 6 minus 1? Minus 7. So finally, what is x value? Minus 5 or 7. X equal to minus 5 or minus, x equal to minus 5 or 7. That is problem number 11. Now problem number 12. Now problem number 12 is 7.1. Problem number 12. What is problem number 12 in 7.1? Find the values of y. So find the values of y. Last time x, this time y. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P2 comma minus 3 and q 10 comma y is 10 units. Same model like problem number 11. In problem number 11 we are finding x value. In problem number 12 we are finding y value. That is the only difference. In the last problem we are finding x value. In this problem we are finding y value. Same meaning again. 2 points are there. First point 2 comma minus 3 p. Second point q 10 comma y. Then something is missing, y is missing. Distance is given 10. Find out missing value, y value. Same model, just like problem number 11. First point given. What is the first point? P 2 comma minus 3 x1 y1. Then q 10 comma y x2 y2. Then PQ distance, PQ how much? 10 units. Distance PQ how much? 10 units. We need to find out y value. Y equal to question mark. Y value find out. Again, same formula. What formula to write again? Distance between 2 points. Again, same formula. Distance between 2 points. So, what is the formula for distance between 2 points? Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the formula for distance between 2 points? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then what is x2? Substitute x2 10 minus x1 2 whole square. Then what is y2? Y minus what is y1? Minus 3 whole square equal to 10. Then what is 10 minus 2 whole square? 8. Y minus into minus plus 3 whole square equal to 10. Then what is 8 whole square? 64. Here also don't apply a plus b whole square formula. Try to avoid a plus b whole square. Don't apply. Write the same. Y plus 3 whole square equal to 10. Then root is there. When root is there, what we will do? Squaring on both sides. Again, squaring on both sides. Then what we get? Root 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10 whole square. Square root cancel. Then what we get? 64. Write the remaining plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 100. 10 square becomes 100. Plus 64 is moving. Y plus 3 whole square equal to 100 minus 64. Again, y plus 3 whole square equal to 36. You know, square becomes root. Y plus 3 equal to root 36. What is root 36 value? Plus or minus 6. That means one time plus, second time minus. So here plus 3 becomes minus 3. Here also plus 3 becomes minus 3. Y equal to 3 or y equal to minus 9. See the problem again. First point P 2 comma minus 3, let it be x1 y1. Second point Q 10 comma y, let it be x2 y2. PQ distance is given 10. Find out y value. Substitute formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? 10. What is x1? 2 whole square. What is y2? y. What is y1? Minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Don't apply a plus b whole square formula here, remember. What is 8 whole square? 64. So what is 8 whole square? 64. Same. Root is there. Squaring on both sides. Square root cancel. Write the remaining. Plus 64 becomes minus 64. 100 minus 64 how much? 36. Square becomes root. Root 36 how much? Plus or minus 6. One time plus 6, second time minus 6. Plus 3 is moving to right side. Becomes minus 3. Here also plus 3 is moving to right side. It becomes minus 3. 6 minus 3 how much? 3. Minus 6 minus 3 how much? Minus 9. So that is y value 3 or minus 9. And HW is do the same sums. 11 or 12 sums. 2 times each one. And we'll continue in the next class. Thank you, students.